All right, well, good morning. We have yet another place that has turned over for us. We're going to take a look and see what we're dealing with in here. This is one of the units that we've fixed up. Really nice in this place. Everything's looking pretty good in here. We're going to expect to turn this one over pretty quickly. Really a good looking spot here in the Milk District. This is just an awesome 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Everything really looking good in here. This was freshly redone not too long ago. This tenant is actually moving over to another unit that we have in a little bit different area, so that's going to work out good. This was cleaned up very nicely. Now there are some areas that we see on the wall, some picture frames were hung. We're going to have to do some touch-up painting around, but everything looking pretty good. We do have some damage to the window blinds, so those things are expensive. Head over to Lowe's, they are pretty doggone expensive. And but overall, this is cleaned up very nice. One thing we like to do is check behind the range and see what we're looking at there. And we see there's a little bit of stuff down there needs to be swept out, so that wasn't quite handled properly. But the fridge is looking really good. Everything looking great in there. The storage facility. Need some paint in here for sure. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So overall, pretty good. Some things we got to take care of in here, but overall pretty good. So we like to get them back in this condition. Aims for a pretty quick turnover. So we aim to have this rented by April 15th. If you know anybody looking for a spot in the Milk District of downtown Orlando, give us a call, 407-353-8468. Thanks for checking it out with us. Take care. Bye-bye.